So what is up, welcome to this video, welcome to another episode right here on software engineering concepts. In this video we are going to look at what exactly is the descriptor protocol in Python. So the descriptor protocol is a powerful mechanism in Python that enables objects to customize how to attribute access, storage and deletion work, and this behind the scenes feature powers many familiar Python constructs including properties, methods, statics, class methods and the super function. So at its core, the Python object becomes a descriptor when it implements at least one of the special methods, the get, set or delete. And by implementing these methods, developers gain precise control over how attributes behave when accessed, modified or removed. So what's a descriptor example in action? So custom descriptors allow developers to add functionality like debugging, validation or type checking to attribute access. Here is an example of a login descriptor. Do well to copy this code, try playing around this code, typing it out manually in VS Code so you can understand how it works. Do let us know how it went in the comment section. Here's another one when we use this class accessing or setting the age attribute, which will trigger our login messages. This example actually demonstrates how descriptors provide clean, reusable way to implement cross-cutting concerns in attribute access. That's it for today. Do let us know how it went running this code in your VS Code. Thank you for watching once again.